It's like a gang war. Look at these Myna birds. You can see they're either.
Yeah, the two on the left there, you see, they're one team.
Yeah, there's one thing. Looks like different, families, I guess. So it's four. There's two groups. There's six of them. There's three groups of two.
These are all Myna birds.
Yeah, these are Myna birds.
They're not indigenous at all.
No, they're not indigenous. Do you remember Chongqing Nanlu, the guys that used to sell the pets? Remember when we got here?
Taipei.
Yeah, in Taipei. The people would sell these. People would keep these. The Myna bird feud.